Linking data between worksheets. While we were discussing about the paste special, we have found one of the components like paste link. It allows us to use our preferred formula copy, go anywhere else on the worksheet, choose our destination, go to paste, and on the bottom we found paste link. We could use this feature between our worksheets too. For example, I'm going to go back to our results on our company results worksheet. Once again, my preferred form of copy. This time though, I'm going to go to sheet 1. In sheet 1, I'm going to select my destination and once again go to paste and paste link. When I do, I have just now linked to the first worksheet. If I return to the worksheet, type in 28.2, go back to sheet 1, see it changes to 28.2. I have now linked between two worksheets. Let's now discuss about the syntax or the language of Excel in the formula bar. You will notice here that there is a formula company results ! Absolute value of cell B2. Now cell B2 is where our actual results came from. Absolute value means that it will always be cell B2. So if I were to take this formula, copy this formula to another cell, it is always cell B2. It did not shift the actual location on my original spreadsheet. Company results stands for the name of the worksheet that the data came from. Our formula is saying go to company results. The exclamation mark is simply our separator between the worksheet and the address of the cell B2 from the worksheet company results. Now, one nice feature is if someone comes along and changes the name of our worksheet, we're covered. For example, I'm going to rename company results to just results. I'll go back to sheet 1 and notice that it automatically changed it right within the worksheet itself. Let's go ahead and just delete our contents. We will go back to results and let's show that we can do the same thing with multiple cells. One more time, I'm going to select the values and click on the copy tab. Again, I'm going to the sheet 1 and again I'll choose my destination. Now note that I'm only going to choose the first cell of the destination. Once again, I'm going to go to paste and once again do paste link. All that's required for me to do now is to simply set on a bit of formatting. As before, when I go to results and change any of the values will automatically change in my second worksheet. It is now linked between the two worksheets. The idea of using the paste special to link databases makes it very easy when you have a number that must be cited in an additional worksheet. You can take one individual cell or you can take multiple cells.